Now we have already seen probability is the number of ways in which the event can be done upon the total number of ways of doing the random experiment. To explain this concept, let us take an example now. In how many ways 4 girls and 5 boys can be arranged in a straight line? हम लोग क्योंकि मैथमेटिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी कर रहे हैं तो मैं परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का एग्जांपल लेके एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. तो in how many ways 4 girls and 5 boys can be arranged in a straight line? अब in how many ways can we arrange them in a straight line? 4 boys can be arranged. Sorry, 4 girls plus 5 boys. 9 people can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. That is 3,62,880 ways. अब मैंने next question आपसे पूछा है कि in how many ways in the above question girls are always together. तो girls को हम लोगों ने 1 consider किया plus 5 boys 6 हो गए. उन्हें 6 factorial ways में arrange करेंगे into 4 factorial. So that is total 720 into 24, that is 17,280. अब ये तो हो गया परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का सम. अब क्योंकि ये मैथमेटिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी है, यहाँ पे हम लोग परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन को ज्यादातर यूज करेंगे. तो लेट अस सी हाउ टू फाइंड आउट अ प्रोबेबिलिटी. Now if I ask you a question, what is the probability that girls are always together? So I will say that let A be the event that the girls are always together. So in how many ways we can do event A? Now if I say here, क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटी तो जनरली इवेंट की होती है, तो मैंने अगर बोल दिया कि A is the event that girls are always together. Now in how many ways we can do event A? Event A can be done in 17,280 ways, and arranging all 4 boys and 4 girls and 5 boys in a straight line is a random experiment. So in how many ways we can do the random experiment? It is 3,62,880. Okay, now this is your probability. ऐसे ही हम लोग बहुत सारे सम्स लेके we can understand the concept of probability. Suppose I ask you that out of 5 girls and 5 boys, a committee of 4 is to be selected. What is the probability that it has exactly 2 girls? Now I'll first find out in how many ways I can select a committee. So out of 10 people, I can select a committee of 4 in how many ways? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 210 ways I can select a committee. But now they are saying what is the probability that it has exactly 2 girls. So boys and girls, there are 5 boys, 5 girls. Exactly 2 लड़कियां होनी चाहिए, तो 2 लड़कियां तो 2 लड़के होंगे. 5C2 into 5C2, that is 10 into 10, it is 100. So now what is your probability? If A is the event that exactly 2 girls are there, then probability of A is number of ways of doing event A, that is 100, upon total number of ways of doing the random experiment, that is 210. This is your answer.